Next up, the Gate 0 extraction. Do note for this extraction you will need a factory exit key. I'm over here by these tall silos. Just above me on this side are the offices and the bathrooms. Over there is the Gate 3 extract. And on this side here, we'll be traveling across past this forklift, staying on the floor here instead of going underground. Right over here is the Gate 0 exit. Though, once again, we will need a factory exit key in order to use it. There are a few ways of traveling across here. We can either head underground and poke our heads out. Right over here, straight across is the Gate 0 exit. Otherwise, coming out of the office area, we can run across, maybe all the way across here, down into the extract, and of course heading across and pretty much straight here. That's usually the safest call. There are sometimes scavs here and scavs in the back area here, though usually not too many around the actual exit itself. It's relatively safe when you get here, though do note you are very exposed from the office area here, so do keep that in mind. Anyways, when you get here, you'll be able to open this back door here, and inside of here, we'll have this locked area here, indicated by the red light. Over here, you'll need the factory key to get into it, otherwise you're locked out. Once a player has opened it, all other players will be able to use this extract. Just over here is a door that leads to the back rooms as well. We can come up this little part over here and be very hidden away when we get here. Assuming you travel underground to get here, up and into Gate 0 here, it's usually completely hidden away, especially if this door is closed. Basically, no one will be able to know that you're here other than the noise of you moving around. It's a very simple extract and probably one of the safest, assuming you have a factory exit key. If we have a look at a map here, we have these tall silos, the office area over here. Here's that big open space that I was in, and just down here to the bottom side of it, the south side, is the Gate 0 exit, though we will need a factory exit key to get in here. Very simple. Anyways, that's about it for this super quick guide. Thank you all for watching. Mine has been Troubleshoot, and I'll see you all next time. Ciao!